Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jeremy here at Extreme Weather Tracker, updating your tropical weather at 1:34 p.m. on June the 22nd, 2011. A couple things we want to talk about. First off, I want to start out with the current rainfall that's in southeast Texas. I've got a current radar image pulled up here. As you can see, all this tropical moisture streaming in from the Gulf. You can see it down here in the Gulf, and it's all streaming northward. As we predicted, some areas have received 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, and we can expect to see that to continue throughout the rest of this afternoon and possibly for a part of tomorrow. As you can see, plenty of Gulf moisture here located in southeast Texas. Definitely much needed rainfall. Also want to show you the current rainfall for the last 2 days that we've been receiving. As you can see, this is Jasper County here. This is our area, and you can see anywhere from South Jasper County on north has received 2 inches of rainfall across the board, and a lot of places have received as much as 4 inches in the northern counties in Sabine County and so forth. Anyway, just wanted to let you guys know much needed rainfall as we forecasted, and should continue over the next 24 to 36 hours. Thing I want to talk about is the tropics. Let's move on to the tropics. We have a tropical wave located to the west of the Lesser Antilles, and another tropical wave moving off the coast of Africa. Then, of course, we have the ITCZ located in this area here, the Intertropical Convergence Zone. This wave here is forecasted to move off to the north and west over the next several days and possibly interact with this monsoonal circulation down here in the very extreme southwestern Caribbean. And a lot of the models are hinting at possible development somewhere here just to the east of the Yucatan, possibly in the Bay of Campeche over the next few days. As you can see on the satellite imagery, all of this convection into Texas, in this coastal areas of Texas, and that's going to continue to move off to the north and east and give us that much needed rainfall. But as I said, this tropical wave here is something to be watched in the next few days. It's going to be moving off to the north and to the west, and some of the models are hinting at development somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico over the next few days, 4 to 5 days. The no gaps model is the strongest or most bullish model on this thing, and it's actually bringing a hurricane up into this area right here and moving northwestward, or maybe even just northward in the coming days. It's going to be all about timing. If this develops and it's in this area, there's going to be a blocking ridge of high pressure over here, and a blocking ridge of high pressure setting back over here and over the Texas. And it depends on how far this ridge digs in and how far this ridge digs in from this way. It's going to tell us where this thing's going to go. But right now it's looking like on the models that there's going to be a break somewhere in this ridge. So some of the models are depicting this thing moving up like this and heading into southeast Texas. Some of them are depicting it moving on up into the Louisiana-Mississippi border. And then some of them are bringing it up, and it's filling the ridge, blocking ridge, and then headed straight toward Mexico. So right now it's still all up into the air is what's going to happen with this thing if we get a development, and that is a big if, but we do have a lot of factors in play. The Gulf is becoming much more moist because of this tropical wave that was centered here and all the moisture in southeast Texas. So we do have quite a bit more moisture in place. The shear should be relaxing in this area in the next 4 to 5 days, and we do have a lot of upward motion. The MJO is definitely favorable for development in the last week of June, so we could have Arlene before the end of June, possibly the 1st of July. We're looking for some development sometime in those areas. Anyway, we'll keep you posted. You guys enjoy the rainfall. We definitely needed that. Once again, this is Jeremy at Extreme Weather Tracker. Hope you guys have a great day.